Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you don't know, you're about to know. I am currently working with 2 network marketing opportunities right now, and I'm making money with both of them. The first one is LiveGood. Now, if you haven't heard of LiveGood, you must be extremely new to the game, but it's all right. LiveGood is blowing up right now. A lot of people are talking about this opportunity. It is in the health and wellness industry, and it's just on fire right now. The other company that I am with is called Nexus Rewards. Now, this company is super cool. It's in the cashback and savings niche, right? But it's not as popular as LiveGood, and I did a video talking about why it might actually be a little better than LiveGood, but that's another video. This is another opportunity that I am very excited to be a part of. So in this video, I want to talk about something that I recently seen between these 2 companies. All right, so someone actually signed up to Nexus Rewards, right? I seen somebody sign up for Nexus Rewards. And you know, whatever, I'm like, cool, I got a new Nexus Rewards member. Wow, I'm excited for them because now they can earn some nice money with this opportunity. Then I seen maybe like a month later, all right, that they haven't really, you know, done anything with Nexus Rewards opportunity. But I seen where they did join the LiveGood opportunity. All right, so basically what I'm saying is this person signed up for Nexus Rewards, you know, was with it for a couple weeks or whatever. For whatever reason, didn't like it, and then they moved over to LiveGood. Now, in my experience, most people, when they sign up for a network marketing opportunity and they quit within a couple weeks or a month, either they didn't make any money in the time that they felt like they should have made money, or they just, you know, saw another opportunity and just completely gave up on the original opportunity. That's usually what happens, all right? So what happened is when I saw that person leave Nexus Rewards and then join LiveGood, my first thought was, if you couldn't make money with Nexus Rewards, you're probably not going to make any money with LiveGood, all right? Because I'm assuming this person, you know, who joined Nexus Rewards just assumed like, you know, they were going to make all this money and whatever, but then they saw LiveGood and was like, oh, I think I could make a lot more money from LiveGood, right? Obviously, you would think that LiveGood is a better sale, right? That's my opinion. But so the thing is, when it comes to Nexus Rewards, in my opinion, it's easier to promote, right? Because you're promoting getting cash back, right? You're promoting saving on all your bills. You're promoting, you know, getting, you know, saving on your prescriptions. You're promoting, you know, a business opportunity where you can earn a recurring monthly income rather quickly, right? So you got that over here, but then you got LiveGood, which is dope, right? I've earned commissions with LiveGood. LiveGood is super cool, but you have to put in probably even a little more effort, because remember, LiveGood is about health and wellness products. So some people might not be feeling LiveGood just because they're not into the whole supplements. They're not into the vitamins and protein and all that, right? Whereas Nexus Rewards is an easier sale because most people are interested in saving money. Most people are interested in getting cash back when they shop. Most people are interested in building a recurring monthly income. So I'm like, I just don't know. You know what I mean? I didn't really get it, because like, if you're switching from Nexus and going to LiveGood thinking it's going to be a lot easier, I would like to put some money on saying they probably did not make, whoever switched over, they probably didn't make any money or haven't made any money yet with LiveGood, right? Because if you put any effort into either opportunity, to be honest with you, you should make money. But if you keep jumping from program to program without giving either opportunity a chance to work, to start building up, you know, content and getting your links out there and having people find you online or offline, If you quit too soon, you ain't gonna make money with none of these opportunities. None of them. Straight up. Like I said, that's my take. So if you were, you know, in Nexus Rewards or think about getting in Nexus Rewards, in my opinion, it's a great opportunity to start with. You can make some really, really nice money with this opportunity, and as well as live good, right? If you're into live good, if you're into the health and wellness, this can be a great opportunity for you as well. All right. So if you want to check out either one of these or both of these opportunities that I'm currently doing right now, you can check out the links in the description as well as the pinned comment. And if you are with either one of these companies, comment below and let me know which company are you currently with or you just joined.